Well, I've tried masking it, but to get into these small, tight areas, first I tried with regular masking tape, hoping I could see through it enough to cut it around, and it just wasn't working. The black wasn't showing up enough through the masking tape. So then I went with the next idea, which was using the clear cellophane tape, and it just becomes invisible on there, and then trying to get these little things and then masking this little starburst here, it just isn't working. So what I'm going to attempt to do is channel my brother